Hi, I'm Libby Telford, a licensed life and living benefits advisor in Ontario, Canada. And in this video, I just want to talk about who can actually qualify for their own personal income replacement benefits for disability. For example, accident, injury, or illness that arises 24/7, anywhere. Doesn't matter where we are, where we're working, what we're doing, or what time of the day it takes place. Some of you might have thought about personal insurance for yourself, particularly when you're self-employed. This is who I'm talking to mostly, are people who are self-employed or independent contractors like myself. I have been most of my working career. And I think there's times when people think that they may not qualify because of the job that they do. Well, I don't know, keep listening and you might be surprised. So, can you qualify to have your own personal disability income replacement plan if you are a computer programmer and you sit at a desk all day? Yes, absolutely. You sure can. In fact, it is probably one of the cheapest plans that's going to be available because you're not doing anything considered risky. Can you get it if you're a garbage truck driver? Yes, absolutely. You certainly qualify. You might have to pay a little bit more, but if you're a garbage truck driver, you can still have coverage that covers you for any injury that occurs while you're working or if you're not working. What about underwater divers? Can underwater divers qualify for a personal disability plan? Absolutely. You can qualify. And again, your plan is probably going to be one of the more expensive plans because of your job, you're more likely to be injured. And what about massage therapists? Absolutely. Pharmacists, chiropodists or chiropodists, chiropractors, physicians, surgeons, you all fall into the same category and you all qualify. Now, of course, you might actually belong to your own association that provides group benefits, but as we all know, or maybe you don't, group benefits can be very limiting. They might only cover you for workplace accidents. They might only cover you for short-term disability, and they might only cover you up to a maximum of income per month. But if you work with somebody like me, I can work with you to determine the amount of coverage, the amount of monthly benefit payouts you would actually need in order to maintain your lifestyle. And of course, what you can afford. It's a little lever, a little dial that we can tweak to suit your budget, but also suit reality and what you would need in case of total and long-term disability. Anybody that falls into any of those particular professions might have been surprised. If you were surprised, let me know. If you want to know about any other occupation type that you didn't hear in the list, leave a message or leave a comment below and ask, and I'll let you know. Or just reach out and contact me and we can have our own personal, private, free, no obligation conversation. Have a wonderful day.